Electric oven. How can you use an electric oven efficiently for better cooking and savings? What is an electric oven? Electric ovens are staples in the modern kitchen, providing precise and consistent heat for baking, roasting, and broiling. However, they can be significant energy consumers. Understanding a few simple tips on usage and maintenance can lead to better cooking results and considerable savings on your electricity bill. Preheat smartly and minimize door opening. Preheating the oven is essential for most recipes, but it doesn't need to be excessive. Most ovens reach the required temperature within 10 to 15 minutes. Starting to prepare your food while the oven preheats ensures you are ready to place it inside as soon as the temperature indicator light signals readiness. More importantly, resist the urge to open the door. Every time you open the oven door, you lose up to 25% of the accumulated heat. Use the oven light to check on your food, or use a reliable external oven thermometer for accurate temperature monitoring. Choose the right cookware and placement. The type of cookware you use significantly impacts heat absorption and cooking efficiency. Glass or ceramic dishes retain heat very well and often allow you to set the oven temperature about 25 degrees Fahrenheit lower than metal pans. Light-colored, shiny metal pans tend to reflect heat, which is great for cookies, but for casseroles or roasting, use dark, dull pans as they absorb heat more effectively. Placing food on the center rack usually provides the most uniform heat distribution. Utilize residual heat. Electric ovens maintain heat very well, even after they are turned off. For dishes with long cooking times, such as roasts or slow-cooked casseroles, you can turn off the oven 5 to 10 minutes before the scheduled cooking time is complete. The residual heat trapped inside the cavity will finish the cooking process without consuming extra electricity. This simple habit can contribute to a noticeable reduction in energy consumption over time. Cook multiple items simultaneously. Efficiency is maximized when you use the entire space and heat generated. If you plan to bake or roast multiple dishes, try to group them together to cook them at the same time. If the dishes require slightly different temperatures, choose the median temperature, or pick the one required for the dish that takes longer to cook. This avoids reheating the oven multiple times, which is the most energy-intensive part of the process. Keep the oven clean. A clean oven is an efficient oven. Spills and baked on grease inside the oven cavity, particularly on the heating elements and reflective surfaces, can absorb heat and reduce the oven's efficiency. The oven has to work harder and longer to maintain the set temperature. Clean up spills promptly once the oven has cooled down, and follow the manufacturer's guidelines for deep cleaning. Check door seals and insulation. The oven door gasket, or seal, is crucial for keeping the heat in. Over time, these rubber or fiberglass seals can crack, tear, or become loose. A damaged seal allows hot air to escape, forcing the heating element to cycle on more frequently to maintain the set temperature. Inspect the seal regularly for damage. If you feel heat escaping around the door edges, it's time to replace the seal, a small investment that results in big energy savings. Maintenance of elements. Ensure the heating elements, both top and bottom, are clean and working correctly. If an element is faulty, the oven may only heat from one direction, leading to uneven cooking and longer bake times, which wastes energy. Summary. Maximizing electric oven efficiency is a combination of smart habits and simple maintenance. By minimizing door openings, utilizing residual heat, cooking in batches, and ensuring the door seal is intact, you can significantly reduce the running costs while achieving perfectly cooked meals.